Hello everybody. Today I'll be making Hawaiian chicken. Let's get started. And we'll be using dark brown sugar. I usually keep my brown sugar in a couple of freezer bags because I used to buy it and it would get really hard. I couldn't figure it out. But this will make it last and last perfectly. And we'll be using barbecue sauce, your favorite, any kind you like, pepper, salt, soy sauce, olive oil, rice vinegar, honey, pineapple chunks. You can use fresh or you can use in a can. I have some minced garlic. You can use the kind that's wet, or I'm going to use the dry minced garlic, and a little more intense flavor. Some ground ginger. We got quite a bit of stuff going on here, but it's not as bad as it seems. I have some chicken that I cut into chunks. I use some boneless chicken breasts, and I use some boneless chicken thighs. Boneless and skinless. And last but not least, I have some onions, some red bell peppers, some green bell peppers, and some yellow bell peppers. And again, you can use your preference of bell peppers. Okay, in my pan, I'm going to add some olive oil. And I'm going to add my chicken in. Sorry about that, my pan was pretty hot. And quiet down, guys, quiet down. Some pepper. Some salt. Okay, we're going to cook this up. We're going to try to brown it up a little bit, and then we're going to remove it from the pan. Okay, you want them about like this. Just brown them a little bit, and then we're going to remove them from the pan and set them aside. Okay, in the same pan, I'm going to add a little more oil, and I'm going to add in my onions and my bell peppers. We're going to cook those for a few minutes. I'm going to take my pineapples and I'm going to strain them because we're going to use the juice also. Okay, I'm going to add my pineapples. You can use 1 can, 2 cans. It depends on you, but this is enough for the portion that I'm making. And just stir them around long enough to heat them up. And see how the bottom, where all that flavor was? Remember, it was brown. It's going right into the dish, which is going to make it extra flavorful. Okay, I'm going to add some brown sugar. We're going to do this by taste. So be light-handed. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. 2, 3 squirts. A little more or less, we'll see. We're adding in a few shakes of soy sauce. I'm going to add in some rice Vinegar. Be careful. I'm going to do a squeeze. Turn this down. Turn it on low while you're doing this. Squeeze of honey. Whew. I'm hot. Excuse me, y'all. Some minced garlic. You can use the kind that's soft if you like, but I'm just going to use this because they have a little more flavor. I'm going to use a pinch of ginger. Ginger is very potent. I'm sure you know that. So we're going to be careful with that ginger. I'm going to toss this around. And we're going to taste. Let's see. It's pretty good. Let me see, it needs something now. Let me see. Sweet enough. Maybe a little shake of soy. I'm going to turn it up because I have it on low. Ooh, hot, y'all. And I'm going to add in some pineapple juice with it. We're going to add some chicken back in. I just let it cook on low for a minute. You just want it to get kind of thick. But you don't want to overcook it because you don't want your peppers and onions to be mushy. So I'm going to add some in. Toss that around. Add some more. Looking good, y'all. And I'm going to cover and let it simmer for a few more minutes, about 5 or 7 minutes. And we're going to add a little salt to balance the sweetness. Okay, I've already made some white rice. I'll let it cook for about 15 minutes, I think. A little more, a little less. Just going to add it. Add it to the rice. Get some more peppers. Like some more green peppers. There you go. And some sauce. To moisten your rice. And there you have it, guys. That's Hawaiian chicken. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And until next time, guys, later.